Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix desktop Windows Manager high memory usage. So in this case, simply go to Task Manager, hit on enter. Now we have to from here restart the Windows Manager. Restart the Windows Manager. Sorry, Windows Explorer, not Windows Manager, but Windows Explorer. Just click on this and right click, and you'll find here restart option. Just click on restart, and let's look back and see if your problem has been fixed or not. If not fixed yet, what you're gonna do is cancel, and second step, go Windows plus R and write here DWM.exe. Now click on enter. You'll find a pop-up like this. Now all you have to go here, display adapters, this one, display adapter, double click, and you'll find your two display, NVIDIA and or Intel. Just hover up your mouse and right click, and you'll find here update driver. Click on update driver. You can see that it's already installed. So again, doing this update driver, if your driver is updated, it will message like this: your driver is already installed. But if the driver is old, then you will find a thing here to reinstall again. Okay, so this is the second step. Third step is go here and like registry editor. Click on registry editor. Yes. Click on this local machine, H key local machine, double click. Sorry for this. Okay, after that you will find here system, this one, system, double click. In system you'll find here control 001, control set 001, this one, double click. Go go services, these services, double click, and now find NDU. Click anywhere and press N, and now find NDU. Here I found NDU. What I'm gonna do is double click, and you'll find here one thing is start, this one, start. Double click on this and set the data value 4. Click on OK. You're done the third step, and check back if your problem is solved or not. If it's not solving, then go again H key local machine, just remove it all. After all minimize, click here again H key local machine, double click, then go system, then current content set, current control set, this one, double click, control, find control here, you'll find here at very bottom, very first top, control. Now go session manager, double click, go session manager, where's the session manager? Click on S. Alright, you'll find here this session manager, double click on this. Now go memory management. Now from here find memory management. Here's the memory management. Double click on the memory management. Now you'll find here clear page at shutdown. All you have to double click on this and put here the value is 1. Make sure it is 1. Okay, now okay, now you can minimize it all. If and now check back if your problem is still not solving, then I'm gonna show you last option. Go here, Windows plus R, and write here service.msc. Click on OK or enter. If it's not working, just put here services and MSC. It will work now, I hope. Okay, you can see there this file services. All you have to find here Windows Management System. So it will finding here W section, Windows Management System. Alright, I found here Windows Management Service, this one. Double click and you'll find here manual, but what you have to just click on this manual and click on disable. Now click on OK. Sorry, firstly click on apply, then click on OK. After this you have to go here, right on settings, and you'll find here personalization. Click on this, go lock screen. Now screensaver, or go screensaver type settings. Then you will find here this screensaver should be none. Okay, sometimes it may be photos or bubbles or anything, but it should be none. Make sure it is none, then click on apply. Okay, now restart your computer and let's check back if your work will be fixed soon. So this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.